It's also this really pretty color, so I feel like it makes my skin glow as soon as I put it on, partially from the ingredients and just almost maybe like the color of putting it on. So anyways, I'm gonna put this on again and just kind of tap it so that I can get it everywhere. Olive oil, witch hazel, so actually this one that is good for acne too, rose water and rose hip oil, which are calming, so that's kind of good because it's a good way if you have skin that can get a little inflamed or red, that can help calm it too. So hemp seed oil, which I love, marine collagen, which is awesome, and I've been using collagen in a lot of my recipes. I think it's cool that some of these things that we're putting in our body, we're also putting on our body and kind of getting the benefits from the inside out. I feel like before I put on all these products at night and these serums, and my skin would be really hydrated and feel really good, and then I'd wake up in the morning and it would be super dry. So that was kind of frustrating because I felt like I was using a lot of really hydrating ingredients, but since I've been using this one, I've been waking up and it's still really dewy and hydrated, so it's kind of been lasting better. So I think it's probably just kind of a sign that it has some really good long-term effects, so it's not just an ingredient that I'm like slapping on. Like, do you ever get a facial and feel like they're just slapping on these awesome ingredients and essential oils that are great for the moment and your skin looks beautiful, but it's not really doing anything functional long term? That's kind of how I feel about some of the other products that I love, that I have, that are more hydrating at the moment but not doing anything long term. But I feel like this has been really effective in actually getting my skin to be more plumped up and hydrated and all of the good things over time.